Hi, this is Carol with Solo Cruising and More. Come pack with me for my 14-day trip. Well, actually 16 if you include the travel days to Phuket, Thailand. Okay, that's where I'm going, Phuket, Thailand, to visit my daughter and my grandson. So I have a backpack and a carry-on. I am going to check this carry-on because I'm allowed to check 2 bags with an international flight. So I'm just going to have my backpack with me during the flight. And I have my neck pillow here, and I have this cover for it. So I'm going to slip this inside, and then I have a little hook that I'm going to hook it on to the outside of my suitcase. So that's the first thing. And the cover is really important because the last time I didn't have a cover, and it would drop off of my suitcase. And yeah, you don't want to use a neck pillow after it's been on the airport floor. All right, so everything is nice and neat inside. Show you. And I definitely use packing cubes. There. I love packing cubes. Okay. Hope you can see me. Oh, you can't see me. Okay. All right. I know I'm in an odd position. Okay, so these are that's my my unmentionables, underwear, stuff like that. Okay, and then in this packing cube, right here, this packing cube, these are my my casual clothes. So I've got plenty of shorts because it's going to be warm. I think I have 3 pairs of shorts. I've got probably about 7 shirts. And no, I have more than 7 shirts. I've got about 8 shirts in here. And of course I'm going to be able to do laundry because I'm going to be staying with my daughter. So that's what's in that packing cube. And then in this packing cube, yes, I know they're not matching. But it's okay because I have so many packing cubes. I just grab the first ones that are there. Okay, so I have 3 dresses, and then I have a little shorts outfit and a pair of jeans. So mostly shorts, a pair of jeans, and 3 dresses, and a lot of shirts, and of course the unmentionables. That. Okay, and then on this side of the suitcase, okay, so I've got this packing cube has my swim stuff. So I've got my Amazon floaty in here because we're going to be near the ocean. I don't know if I'll be able to use the floaty in the ocean, but we might. We're going to go to some water parks, or at least I know we're going to one water park. And then we're also going to the Fifi Islands, and we may stay at a little resort. So they may have a pool that will let me have a floaty. So I just always have it just in case. And so, I've got swim shoes in here. So I've got my water shoes and everything I need for the pool. So I also have the little case that I can put my phone inside of so that the phone doesn't get wet. So I have that inside of this packing cube. And then I've got shoes. So I've got a pair of sandals like that. I've got 2 pairs of sandals. Okay, 2 pairs of sandals and 2 pairs of flip-flops. I got a dressy pair of flip-flops like that, and then just a casual pair of flip-flops. I've got this is a backpack, and with this backpack, you know, it packs like this, and you know, it's always really easy to carry. This I got from Amazon too, and I'll link everything that I have pretty much in the description below. And then I have my little jewelry case here. So I've got plenty of shoes, but not too many. Okay, so that's that suitcase, and then I'll move on to my backpack. All right, next is my backpack. This is my backpack right there. And it's one of those types of backpacks that opens up pretty much kind of sort of like a suitcase. I have my water bottle on the side so I can fill it up at the airport. It's going to be empty for now. And this is my little electronics bag. I had taken it out, but I've got got microphones, and I'll have my charging cords in here when I'm ready to put them in here. So this was a gift from one of my friends at work. Oh, Jamie, she came on last cruise with me. Got that for me. So this, and it has an expander. It has expanding zippers on the side. So I don't have it expanded now. Thank goodness I don't need to have it expanded. But it opens up like this. Let's see if you can see that. Okay. There we go. Opens up like that. And inside here, I've got another little bag with electronics. I've got a new gimbal. Hope I'll figure out how to use it, but I do have a new gimbal. So, and then I'll have my charging cords and things like that inside of here. And then I've got my purse. So I'll have that right up top so I can grab my passport ID and everything. I've got my pair of pajamas. I have my makeup bags. I've got two small makeup bags, just like, yeah, little ones like these. And when I was a member with Etsy, I don't know if you guys remember Etsy, but they would send you a new makeup bag every single time that you receive something. So I decided to use those for my makeup. And then this is a 31 bag, and this is where I have my my toiletry items. And then I have everything, all my liquids in a plastic bag, so I'll just slip them out just like that when I have to go through TSA. And I did get TSA pre-check this time, so I have TSA pre-check. I'm not sure, it'll be the first time that I will use it, so let's see how well that is for an international flight. And then I've got a change of clothes in here because I have such a long flight. Like I said, this flight is 33 hours going and 35 hours coming back, and I have long layovers in Bangkok each time. So I have like a little scarf kind of to use like a blanket, and then this bag here I'll use for things I have things for my hair inside of this bag. And then on this side, the zipper part, I've got some keto coffee keto coffee packages so I can keep up with my plan. I got some beef jerky for snacky time, and that's pretty much it for this bag. Yeah, so I think I'm ready to go. Yeah, I have like my ID, passport, and everything will be in here. Everything that needs to be in here. This little light, my daughter sent that to me. So my oldest daughter. So I think that will be all that I'll need for this trip. I have my electronics and everything. I got a place for all of those. So this is really a great bag. And this backpack does have a matching carry-on suitcase, but I'm not going to carry that particular one because my Samsonite is so much stronger, and this is an international flight, so I'm going to stick with the Samsonite and go with that. So I won't be matchy, but I never really am too concerned about that, but maybe later on. But anyway, thank you for watching this video, and follow me as I venture into Thailand. So looking forward to this trip, and like and subscribe so that you can follow everything that's going on. I'm going to be doing some pop-up lives, so yeah, just stick with me during this trip. It's going to be an adventure. It will really be an adventure. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was a little bit useful for you. Like I said, I'm trying to go minimalistic as possible without a huge suitcase. So I hope this will get me through. All right. Bye-bye.